The new chassis for the 2011 Sierra Heavy Duty was really developed for load carrying capability and to give you really a comfortable ride.
The frame is a fully boxed section front to rear. A fully boxed frame allows us to get a nice rigid chassis. With a rigid chassis, there's almost no piece of the vehicle that's not affected positively.
To beef up these frames, we use high-grade steel and hydroforming where needed to create torsional stiffness that can be as much as 5 times higher than the previous models and a bending stiffness that's double what our old models were. Conventional trailer, we can tow as much as 17,000 pounds. With a fifth-wheel trailer, it would be 21,700 pounds. That's a lot of trailer, and you need a lot of truck to pull that.
As you get into larger towing and payload capacities, you need higher horsepower and torque. Duramax diesel engine can pull enormous loads. These are loads that, 15, 20 years ago, we only dreamt about.
Our Duramax diesel's been in play for quite a while and has developed a great tradition of longevity and low maintenance cost. We got over 1.2 million Duramax diesels sold that have a terrific, nearly bulletproof reputation for durability and reliability both.
This is larger than any truck we've ever produced before, and these are the largest brakes we've ever had on one of our trucks. It's a hydraulic system with HydroBoost, which means rather than using a vacuum booster, we're using a hydraulic boost system. So they're extremely capable at stopping all the trailer load and all the payload on these vehicles.
On our four-wheel drive models, there are a lot of people that will decide they need to put some heavy apparatus on the truck. The snowplow is the best example.
If you do add aftermarket equipment like a snowplow, you can adjust the trim height of the suspension back up to its normal position. With a simple hand wrench, you can crawl underneath or put it on a hoist, and just by the turn of 2 bolts, you can raise the height of the suspension back to normal.
We've got a number of different features built into the vehicle. We've got hydraulic body mounts that, again, isolate the cabin from any inputs that come in through the suspension to make sure that we maintain comfort while at the same time not giving up any of the handling that our customers demand.
For the Sierra Heavy Duty for 2011, we have an approximate 11% improvement in fuel economy. It's the cleanest diesel that General Motors has ever produced, and you can easily get over 600 miles on a tank.
The 2011 Sierra is the most powerful pickup we've ever put into production. I think you'll be pretty impressed.